In this video, we'll show you how to schedule a one-to-one tutoring appointment at tutoring.gatech.edu. First, click the tutoring link in the main menu and then click the Schedule a One-to-One Tutoring Appointment link. You will then be asked to log in with your Georgia Tech username and password. Once logged in, you will click the Search Availability link under Student Options. Next, you will select One-to-One Tutoring as the center and choose the course in which you are looking for help. You can book appointments up to 2 weeks in advance, but no sooner than 24 hours before the start of a session. When you click Search, you will see all of the availabilities for tutors who can support your course. Simply click on a time block that works with your schedule, enter your phone number and any notes for your tutor, including specific topics that you would like to work on during your session. You can also sign up for text messaging to receive reminders for any appointments you create. Once you click Save, your appointment has been created. Both you and your tutor should receive appointment confirmation emails and calendar invites for this session. Returning to the main menu, you should now see an Upcoming Appointments block that includes your newly scheduled appointment. When it is time for your session to begin, an Enter Online Appointment link will appear. Simply click this link to join your online tutoring session. If you need to cancel a scheduled appointment, simply click the X button next to this appointment, then enter the reason for this cancellation and click Confirm Cancellation. Note: cancellations must be submitted at least 24 hours prior to the session start time. If you miss a scheduled appointment or need to cancel within 24 hours, you may incur a $15 charge to your bursar's account. In either case, please notify your tutor as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.